The streets of Harare are alive once more as news spreads quickly in every corner. Maxwell Chikumbutso has returned not with another wireless generator or advanced drone, but with something so bold and powerful it shakes the entire car industry. A sleek automobile priced at only $14,000 that never stops moving. At first sight it looks normal, a small, compact, neatly designed car gliding silently down the street. Yet beneath its simple shell lies hidden technology far ahead of current science, keeping engineers from Tesla, Toyota, and BMW awake at night. Step inside, and the difference is clear. There is no battery meter, no fuel gauge, no warning lights, no worry about range. There is nothing to monitor because the machine never stops. Maxwell claims it runs on a special self-generating energy system he developed. He describes it as a secret mix of RF energy harvesting magnetic drive mechanics and efficient power converters. To most people it feels like magic. To Maxwell it is physics done correctly. As the car moves, the discussion grows tense as Tashi defends Maxwell's work. An older engineer scoffs and calls impossible, saying they tried similar concepts decades ago and failed. Maxwell cuts in, saying they were looking in the wrong direction. Energy is everywhere, you just need to know how to use it. The first public test happens outside an old warehouse chosen carefully. A small group gathers with cameras ready. The car will start from a stop and keep going until someone turns it off. Maxwell steps in, turns a key, and the vehicle hums to life. No engine noise, no smoke, only a soft, steady sound. Minutes turn into hours, hours into days. At the 48-hour mark, skeptics begin to shift. By the fourth day, journalists call it the impossible car. But breakthroughs bring danger. Rumors spread that powerful oil companies want it shut down. A major car maker offers Maxwell a blank check to bury the project. He refuses, and threats soon follow. Letters pile up, calls come at night, and his car tire is slashed. Still, Maxwell works on his prototypes. Weeks pass as the team works day and night. Finally, Maxwell emerges from the lab tired but determined. It is ready. He announces the car will run forever under full load. Engineers watching understand this is no ordinary invention. A hush falls as Maxwell approaches a warehouse. Inside, rows of batteries stand ready. The room is dim, but all eyes are on him. He says what you are about to see is the true potential of this technology. The car will run forever under conditions that drain any normal vehicle in seconds. The test begins. A reporter from Johannesburg asks where the energy comes from. Maxwell replies calmly he is not creating it, but tapping into energy already around us. The crowd murmurs between disbelief and awe. Outside, a larger machine waits with a design almost military. Maxwell prepares for the next test. The system is loaded to the limit. If it holds, the theory is proven. If it fails, there may not be another chance. The test begins, time slows, and the machine hums. A sharp crack breaks the silence, but Maxwell reacts fast. We lost containment, he says, but it held, and that is enough. The implications hit them. Maxwell sets the car under heavy electrical load, switching on everything inside. High beams glow, air conditioning blasts. Heated seats run, and an industrial drill is plugged in. The display remains steady with no drop in power. It feels like the car drinks from an endless river. Maxwell prepares to push it further. He brings in a huge fan, placing it in front of the car, and switches it on. The fan roars, but the car stands firm. He adds more fans one by one, creating strong winds, yet the car remains unshaken. Then he connects a refrigerator and a welding unit. Sparks flash, but the system holds. Suddenly, the lights dim. Maxwell cuts power to conserve energy for the final test. He connects a television, laptop, and gaming console. The energy flow stays steady. He adds a portable air conditioner, making the air cold, but the hum continues. Then a microwave oven is turned on at full power. Finally, a heavy-duty drill tests the system further, but nothing falters. Maxwell pushes everything to the limit, turning all devices on at once, including a portable welder. The air crackles as a plasma arc roars, but the energy remains constant. They realize they have tapped into a nearly limitless source. The day comes when Maxwell takes the car onto the open road, leaving the workshop behind. As he speeds along the highway, he feels the presence of danger near but unseen.